So a typical application that the laser works exceptionally well at is high cosmetic welds. There's a couple reasons for that. There's a handful of challenges that the laser helps solve. First off being lower distortion rate. The laser has drastically lower heat input than your conventional arc welding, which really limits to almost completely eliminates distortion. Second being penetration. So typically on these thin gauge materials, operators are welding at a very low amperage, trying to limit the heat input to that part. The laser sets penetration depth independently of the material thickness. So we can get penetration regardless of how thin the material is, while still keeping heat out of the part. Thirdly is there's very low deposition rate, meaning there's much less material to grind and blend to get that nice smooth surface. So being able to grind less and eliminate the potential for grinding your weld away has the laser helps really solve those cosmetic welding industry struggles. All right, so what we've got set up here is some 2-inch square tubing. We're kind of simulating some chair or table legs for the furniture industry, right? Some sort of a high cosmetic weld requirement. So we're gonna lay some beads here at the base. Should be very low deposition, really easy to blend. If we do need to sand, it's just gonna be a light sand to be able to get that to a finished product. All right, so we're gonna turn this machine on here, put on our PPE, set our laser power. We're gonna put a nice fillet weld right here. All right, guys, so just to point out, before we started, there was 0 tacks on this weldment. All right, we've welded out 2 sides here, and just take a look at the shrinkage and pull force, or the lack thereof. All right, we are still perfectly square. There is no pull, no distortion, so it really makes the job that much easier. For more information, go to millerwelds.com or contact your local welding equipment supplier.